Good morning, everybody. It's Mr. Martin here. Today is Wednesday, May the 6th, and we're here with our grammar passage for today. As you know, on Monday, we went ahead and started and answered the first two questions. So we realized that this is a revising passage because it says revise right here, and we're doing arts. So our central idea, the different types of kangaroos and what types are known for, okay? Different types of kangaroos and what they are known for. So we're gonna go ahead and look at questions number 3 and 4 today. Follow along with me. Make sure you're writing what I'm writing, and then you're submitting the document on the Google Classroom for your teacher. It says, Thatch wants to add a topic sentence to the beginning of the paragraph containing sentences 14 through 19. What will be the best topic sentence for this paragraph? So we know a topic sentence is introducing the topic of the paragraph. Since I don't remember 14 through 19, I'm going to go back and read it and see what those paragraphs are talking about. The kangaroos that climb trees are called tree kangaroos. Rat kangaroos are another kind. These kangaroos are small compared to the others. Some grow to be only the size of large rats, which is how they get their name. The two kinds of kangaroos most people picture when they hear the word kangaroo are the red and gray kangaroos. These are the biggest ones. Okay, so they're talking about different types of what? Different types of kangaroos. Okay, so we're going to see what can be introduced and what can be the topic sentence that kind of goes and flows with different types of kangaroos. Animals come in different shapes and sizes. Okay, animals come in different shapes and sizes. Is this paragraph talking about animals, just animals in general? Is this passage talking about animals in general, or is it talking about a specific animal? So it is specifically talking about kangaroos. So if I had just animals come in different shapes and sizes, it's talking about kangaroos. That's not specific enough. Oops, sorry. Still blurry. Okay, better. I've learned there are several different kinds of kangaroos. So that paragraph is talking about the rat kangaroo, the tree kangaroo, the red and gray kangaroo. They were talking about different kinds of kangaroos. So that one could be a question mark. Wallabies are animals that are close related to kangaroos. That paragraph didn't mention wallabies. It's not talking about wallabies, so that's not true. The largest kangaroo is the great red kangaroo. Yes, this is true, but if it was a topic sentence, that means that whole paragraph we talked about the red kangaroos, and it talked about many different types of kangaroos, so that one has to be out, all right? So our correct answer, I know because, is B. Go ahead and take 30 seconds to tell me why is B the correct one. So what I put is that paragraph focused on different kinds of kangaroos. Okay, that paragraph focused on different kinds of kangaroos. Didn't talk about animals, different animals, didn't talk about wallabies, didn't talk about only the red kangaroo, it talked about all the different types of kangaroos. Let's go to question number 4. The meaning of sentence 20 can be improved by changing doing this to which of the following, okay? So we're improving the meaning of sentence 20 by changing doing this to something more specific, okay? Sometimes if we use too many pronouns or in specific words in our writing, it can be kind of muddled and unclear what we're talking about. So that's where we're swapping out the doing this for what is the specific action to be as detailed as possible. So let's go back to sentence 20. I really enjoyed doing this. I never realized how much there was to learn about kangaroos. So I never realized how much there was to learn about kangaroos. So I enjoyed doing this. I think he means doing this is what? What do you think? What do you think he's talking about in doing this? I've never realized how much there was to learn about kangaroos. What is he talking about? So I think he's talking about researching kangaroos. So when I read that back, I was thinking in my mind, oh, he's talking about how he's researching kangaroos, and he never thought that he would learn that much about them from the research and from writing this paper, obviously. So let's go. I never thought that I, so I really enjoyed doing this. I really enjoyed learning how kangaroos fight. Okay. Did it only talk about how kangaroos fight? Notice we're in the conclusion part of this essay. So it's not, if you're concluding something, it's summarizing everything you learned, right? Did the whole thing discuss how kangaroos fight? It did discuss it, but that wasn't the central focus. That wasn't the central idea of the whole passage. Learning about kangaroos. Was the whole passage about learning about kangaroos? I think so. We spent a lot of time talking about different types of kangaroos, what they do, where they live, how they fight. Okay. Thinking about kangaroo babies. I think only one section talked about how kangaroos have their babies, so that is not true. Picturing kangaroos. So we didn't just picture them, we learned about them and he discussed and explained about them. So the correct answer is G. What's your I know because for G? I know because. Take about 30 seconds. So I put I know because the author wrote about what he learned about kangaroos. Okay, the author wrote about what he learned about kangaroos. So obviously, G is the only one that makes sense. Thank you so much for being with me this morning. I hope that you have a wonderful day. Get outside, do something fun, and I'll see you all on Friday. Thanks so much.